Diving right in, how do you know if your product is going to sell on Etsy? There's tons and tons of products out there, a lot of which don't sell. And then there is also a lot of people making their living entirely on Etsy with products that sell really, really good. So you're thinking of bringing a product to market, you have an idea, and you're ready to launch it to the Etsy world, but you're not sure if it's going to sell or not. Well, the best way to make sure, or at least give yourself the best chance of success, is by doing product demand research. And as you may or may not know, Alora is my absolute favorite Etsy keyword search and demand tool that I use for my Etsy business. And I research all of my products beforehand so I know, am I going to have the best chance of success when I bring this product to market? Of course, there's other factors at play. Just because you do product research and demand research doesn't mean that you're always going to have success, but you're at least giving yourself a leg up and the best chance of success when you do bring your products to market. So, what I usually use for demand research is the keyword finder. When you're searching or when you bring up Alora, this is one of the tools on the left, and there is a link below. You guys can get a free trial of Alora so you can see all this stuff, test it out, give it a try. Lots of really actionable, great features for your business, streamlined, super easy to use. So I bring up the keyword finder here, and you can enter any keyword in here related to what you're going to sell. So you can, this is twofold. You can have a general idea, a broad idea of what you're thinking about bringing to market, or it can be specific as well. Either way, you can put a keyword in here that is related to what you're thinking about selling or going to sell, and kind of see the stats behind that keyword to see if the demand is there for what you are going to sell. So let me just do, I'll stick with jewelry because a lot of people sell jewelry. So I'll just do a jewelry example. So let me just do silver pendant necklace. And I hit enter, and it is going to bring me all of the stats up here for silver pendant necklace. Takes just a moment to load up all the good stuff in here. You're going to be able to see all of the various stats for this silver pendant necklace. And as you can see, 7.7 million views for this keyword. That is crazy. That is a lot. So there is a lot of demand, a lot of people searching for a silver pendant necklace. Obviously, your pendant necklace is going to be, there's going to be different elements in there. It's a little bit more broad. There's a lot of people selling silver pendant necklaces, but there's also a ton of demand for it. 142,000 sales. So generally speaking, I know that silver pendant necklaces are A, being searched for, and B, being bought. There's a ton of people buying them. So there is a ton of demand. So if I'm thinking about bringing a silver pendant necklace to market, I know that there's going to be a really good chance I can snag at least some of these sales. You don't need a lot, you just need a couple, and that can really help your business. So this is a really good opportunity for silver pendant necklaces. And then down below, you can see similar keywords, and these are all keywords that you can use in your titles and tags to capitalize on even more possible traffic for what you're selling, if any of these apply. Sterling silver pendant, jewelry, gift for her, silver necklace. So a lot of these are similar. Birthday gift, you can probably incorporate that in with silver pendant necklace. So this is just going to give you an idea of some additional keywords that you may want to try. What's also really cool about this tool is the next phase analytics you can click on to see the price breakdown, all the averages of price. So this could help you price your silver pendant necklace. The categories that people are putting silver pendant necklaces in. When you do your listing, you have to select a category. What category you select could help or hurt your listing. And then it has average processing time and other different stats here. But this is really cool as well. Up here, you can click on listings and see the actual top listings for silver pendant necklace. And you can sort these by total sales, monthly sales, favorites, and price. Keep in mind, monthly sales is a good way to get trends because they're selling currently. Total sales is a good way to see overall how these listings have done. And if you select any of these at the top, it'll sort them from either least to most or most to least. But what's really neat is you can see these top performing listings and snag or at least get an idea of what they're doing and possibly use this information in your listing. So you can see their title, you can see their picture, their monthly revenue, total revenue, and you can see their tags. So look and see, is there any of these tags or keywords that you can use in your own listing? Of course, you're not going to copy this stuff exact how it is and duplicate what they're doing. But you're going to use this information to benefit your own listing with your own flavor, your own style, your own brand of silver pendant necklace. More than one way to skin a cat, and you're just going to use this information to your advantage. And you can see this first example isn't even really a silver pendant necklace. It's more gold, so it's not exact. And you can go through these and kind of see what they're doing in their listings to gleam and learn and benefit you in your listing. But this is the best way and the protocol that you should follow when you're thinking about bringing a product to market to see, A, is there a demand? Is it selling? Can I capitalize on that? If you do a search and there is, it has 10 sales total ever, that's not a good idea of of something to bring to market. There's just not enough demand for that, and it's going to be really hard to make any money. So you need to see a significant amount of sales so that you know that that is a hot topic. At least the subject matter is hot. Maybe your product is not exactly the same, but you can capitalize on that audience when you're bringing that product to market and hopefully make a chunk of sales with that listing. But that is it. That is how I research demand with the keyword finder. Super cool tool. Allura has lots of great actionable information to give you a leg up so you have the most chance of success. Like I said, there is a link below. You can snag Allura for a free trial. If you're serious about selling on Etsy, if you're serious about growing your business, this is a must-have tool. It'll benefit you each and every day that you use it. And I highly suggest that you invest in this tool to grow your business. It's an amazing tool. Love it. All right, that's it. I'll be back with you guys real soon. Have an awesome day.